You're on camera.
Hi.
Good form.
Yeah, it's gonna be posted.
Oh.
Alright.
That's like just switch
Got set.
Oh god.
And go.
I know you guys are tired, but focus on form. In time, Freya.
Keep it in time. Time it up.
Your shoulder back.
Time it up.
Nice. Eyes on the boat, Steve.
Eyes up. Look at the
Eyes on Will.
eyes on Will. Let's go.
Nice. Freya, let's recover lower to the water. So think about skimming the water as you come forward. Yep. Copy Brandon's paddle. Yep. So right now you're coming up like this. Right now you're coming all the way up. Bring it down. Yeah?
Yeah. Really use that body. Reach forward, rotate.
A little better.
Feel your last, guys.
Feel it. That's right. Hey, looking good, Will.
Thank you.
Nice, you too, Brandon. Looking good, looking good. Everyone's looking good.
Everyone has left
It's okay,
side.
don't think about it too much. Let it go. Don't let go of the paddle.